Welcome friends to this video of letters and symbols. So this is logical reasoning, and here we are directly solving questions, and in between of solving questions I'll explain you some terms that how to solve, because the theory section is not there. It's logical, and the logical part of your brain is tested here, right? So you have to apply the logic and you have to crack out the question. So let's go to the first question. So here is a pattern. Actually all the questions are in pattern: SCD, TEF, UGH, then blank, then WKL. So in the blank space, what will be the answer? CMN, UJI, VIJ, or IJT, right? So here the option will be VIJ. But why did I choose VIJ? Because there are two alphabetical series here, right? The first series is the first letters only. S, T, U, V, W, right? So here V is missing, so V will be there, right? And in the second series involving the remaining letters, right? CD, EF, GH, so IJ will be there, KL, right? So that is why VIJ is there. Understood? So let's move on to the second question. So here we are just applying the logical terms, and we are seeing that what kinds of, just as in previous question, S, T, U, V, W. So V is missing, so V will be the first letter. Then the remaining letters C, D, E, F, G, H, IJ is missing, then KL. So IJ will be there. So VIJ is the answer. In the second question, FAG, GAF, HAI, IAH, then what will be the answer? Here, let us see that what kind of patterns are there. So here the middle term is fixed. So in this answer also the middle term will be A only. And after that, let us see FG, GF. So two alphabets are being taken, F and G, and they are getting reversed in the next form, GF. And after that, what is there after G? H. So H and I are taking FG, then HI is being took here, HI, and then it is getting reversed, IH. And after I, what happens? There are, what are the two sets after I? After I it's JK, right? So JK will be there and then it will get reversed, but we have to just answer this one only. So JK is here, right? So JK and the middle term is fixed, so it will be JAK. Hope you guys understood. FG, GF, okay? HI, IH. So after I, what will be that? Because after G, that is after G the alphabets are H, and that after that it is I, and we are working with two alphabets, consecutive alphabets. And after I, what is the alphabets? What are the alphabets? I, J, K, L, M, N. So J and K. So that is why JAK will be the answer. In the third question, CMM, EOO, GQQ, and then it's blank, and then after that it's KUU, right? So what will be the answer? Here let us see that what kind of order is there. The first letters are in alphabetical order with a letter skipped in between each segment, right? How? Like C, D is missing, E, F is missing, G. So here H will be missing, right? So G, H will be missing, and I will be there. And after that J will be missing and K is there. So this pattern we have understood, this pattern we have cracked out. So after C, D is missing, then E, okay? So after E, F is missing, then G, and after that H will be missing, and here I will be there, okay? And after that J will be missing and K is there. So this is the pattern, okay? Now in the second forms, two letters are getting repeated, right? And the second and third letters are repeated. They are also in the order of skipped, right? If I see, so M is there, N is missing, O is there, P is missing, Q is there, R will be missing. So here S should be there, right? And T will be missing, and after that U is there. So here will be, it will be SS. So what does we get? What does the answer comes to be? It is ISS. So this will be the right answer. So guys, this was logical reasoning part of letters and symbols. Hope you guys understood the questions. It's just cracking up the pattern, and then you can just simply solve the questions. And thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.